Okay guys, so now all I need to do is press on this button, and yes, there is my $150 free Amazon gift card code. So yeah, let's get into the tutorial and I'll show you exactly how you can go and get it. Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. And if you don't know who I am guys, I basically specialize in saving you money. Now today, you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get free Amazon gift card codes. You're going to be able to get I believe it's $150 Amazon gift card for free, and it only takes around 5 to 10 minutes, and you need to use your mobile phone. So that's what I'm going to show you today how to do. So let's get into it. Now, I did create this video in 2023, but obviously this is an updated version. So you can see I've opened up the internet on my mobile phone, and I'm gonna go to this website, www.topdogcodes.com. So you need to go to Top Dog Codes. So when you reach this website, you have to basically find the Amazon page. You can either scroll down and manually look for it, or you can go to the search bar at the top of the page and type in Amazon. And you're looking for Amazon gift cards and coupons. So tap on that to open it up. Oh, it's a $240 Amazon promo code you can get. You can also get 50% off technology. This is what we're interested in, sorry guys, the $150 Amazon gift card code. Now, to get that, you click on show coupon, and this is gonna pop up here, 150 Amazon gift card code, and you can see guys, it gives us the first half of the code, but we need to unlock the rest of the gift card code. Now to do that, you have to tap unlock code, and there is going to be a new screen that's basically going to give you a set of instructions. This will basically verify you're not a robot. So all you need to do guys is follow all of the instructions, complete 2 tasks. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to save the coupons and gift card codes for you guys. But yeah, basically unlock code, follow the instructions, and you're going to unlock your Amazon gift card code. So I'm going to actually do that now. So yeah, enjoy guys, smash that like button if you got your Amazon gift card code, and I'll see you soon.